Hello, you're looking at a Ford box truck. It's in really nice shape. Previously owned by Comcast. It is a 5-speed and it has a mechanical brakes. Has a gross hauling weight of 21,000 pounds. It runs good. Starts right up. Motor sounds good. Has 143,000 miles on it. Really nothing for these. Has a 7-liter gas V8. Good looking tires all the way around. Motor sounds good. Nice and clean inside, you can see. The lift cannot get to work, and I believe the switch is broken off here. You can see that. I don't have anybody to play with those. Normally it's a switch. So anyway, that's the way we're selling it. Floor is in good shape. Nice tight box, not leaking anywhere. Might have one little spot over here on the right. There's a little air light coming through, but the floor is nice and strong. Again, no leaks. The door works. Box up fine. If you're looking for a truck to haul the mail, this is it. Previously owned by Comcast Cable. We've gotten a lot of their vehicles. They're all fleet maintained. You can see it had a fresh oil change right before we got it. Put on my seatbelt here. So, this is a no reserve auction. The top bidder will own it. Don't bid unless you're able to finish the transaction. We will pick you up at the airport, bus station, rail station, any of those. We're in Bel Air, Maryland, which is about 20 miles north of Baltimore. And we pick people up from out of town all the time. And they fly in and drive their vehicles home. Anyway, oops, I'm not so good on the clutch. Starting out third gear. This is not the right gear, but anyhow, she runs good. Goes highway speeds, no problem. Do it all one-handed is a little tough too. But if you're looking for a strong truck to carry the mail, this is it. And there's not too many of them going to sell in the price that this is going to sell for. All the gauges are good. And they're up there around 55. No shimmy. She drives good. So anyway, if you need a reliable box truck for a cheap price, got a lot of life left in it, and I really haul the mail, buy this truck.